Hello, welcome everyone to my channel. Today I'll be showing you very interesting topic. I'll be building together with you a Kibana dashboard for very interesting topic uh, with current situation of COVID-19. So I'll be building Kibana dashboard to show you different aspects to represent the data, total number of cases, how it behaves, how many cases are in a different in different region and countries based on the data from this particular website. Thanks to European Center for Disease Prevention and Control, the data is not updated every minute or so, but as a base, I'll be using this data. So as you can see here in this particular table, we have a lot of information where we have region, then the countries, and then number of cases, number of death, and then confirmed cases for the last 15 days. I'll be uh, building a basic Kibana dashboard based on this data. Um, I'll be not going through this map data and I'll be not building anything related to map. That I will cover in the next videos. So do subscribe to my channel and keep watching. So let's get started. So what I have done is I have Logstash, Elasticsearch, as well as Kibana installed on my Ubuntu VM. I'm using Ubuntu 18.04 VM, which is installed on my virtual box. So this is my basic setup. You can watch my other videos where I have explained how to install Logstash, Kibana, as well as Elasticsearch. Okay, so let's get started. So I have my Logstash, Elasticsearch, and Kibana already running, up and running. Before that, before I'll be going to details, I'll be showing, let me show you how my dashboard will look like. I've already built this dashboard here uh, based on that data, but I'll be building it together with you. So don't worry, I'll be building exactly the same so that you will get more idea how we can proceed. All right, so what I've done is I have kept all the data. So first I'll do sudo su. So I'll be sudoing to root user, and then I will basically have already created the input file in CSV format. It's here. Just a second. Um, yeah. So input file is here. Yes, so here is my input file. I will show you how it looks like. Just simple cat. So you can see it is semicolon separated without header. I have my Logstash configuration file which I'm using it to parse it. So I'll show you how it looks like. All right. So let's see. Sorry. So this is my Logstash home path, and here I have this particular configuration file created. So I will also show you how it looks like. This is my COVID Logstash configuration file, which is basically I'm using to parse all the CSV file data to Elasticsearch for index creation. So this looks like it is here. Yeah. So what I have is I have input section where I have this particular CSV file, and then I have defined a bunch of information. So starting position is beginning, this is default. Then here I have defined what is the separator and then what are the columns I'm expecting. So exactly same from the website. And then I'm converting all the data. Sorry, I'm converting all these columns to integers wherever required. So rest of them will be as string, but I'm converting this as a some of them like number of cases, dates, and confirmed cases in the last 15 days to integer, which is what I'm expecting. I'll be sending this output to Elasticsearch. This is where my Elasticsearch is running on 9200 port. Then I have defined my indexes like this. So as I'll be creating with you, um, I'll be changing the index name so that we can demonstrate it properly. All right, so I'll be just updating the index. I'll be updating it to, let's say, 1. So I have defined this COVID index and then date, and it's today date at the time of recording, and then I'll put just number 1. All right, and then I'll just save it. That's all. Then I will have to run the logstash with this particular config file. To do that, I'll just simply use bin logstash -f and then this configuration file. All right. When I start this, this will start pushing the data to Elasticsearch and start creating indexes. Yeah, so it's added. Now we will have things going fast. All right, so seems everything is going as usual. So this is my output from Ruby debug output, standard output. Okay, so while it gets created, it's a bit slow. Okay, so it's created. All this data are passed to Elasticsearch and index are created. Now let's go back to our Kibana dashboard. So this is my existing dashboard. I'll leave as it is, and then I'll go back to the new instance of this. Sorry. All right, so I should have Kibana up and running. All right, so we have this Kibana homepage. I can simply go to management and then index pattern here. This is the existing index pattern, but because I have just created another one, I will just use the new one. I'll just check here. As you can see here, we already have this created. Uh, no need to do anything, just put that one, and if it is selected, you can just select next step. Select based on the timestamp as default and create index. This will create index and then we are good to go. So as it's pretty clear, it is this particular data is number, date is number, number of cases is number, and rest of the columns are all string. So there are some additional information here, additional columns which gets created as part of index creating. All right, so we have the index pattern and index created. Now we can go to discover just to verify if we have received all the data. Okay, here we need to update this to the right index pattern and you can see the data here. So I have 204 total data count, but each rows has different information. So you can see here. You can do a lot of search based on the information, but I'll straight away go to create visualization. So I'll go to visualization. I already have visualization created. So I will show you how I have created everything and then it would be pretty clear. Um, just for just to show you, I will create a couple of them together with you. So Let me create total number of cases. Once again, I already have it, but I'll just create it for simplicity. All right, so total number of cases, just select that, and here just select sum and then number of cases, and that's it. What it will do is it will add all all the cases from this particular column, and this is what we get. So if we go here, I already have this created here, total cases, which is at the moment it's 0, but because I had created it some time back, so because it's by default it's 15 minutes, so it shows 0. But if I change it to 60 minute, most likely I will see that. Yes, we see that. So this is how we create here. Okay, let's go back to another visualization. Sorry. So let's create something interesting. Let's create region-wise split. I will just delete that. I'll just delete this visualization. Yeah, region-wise date, country-wise date. I will just delete all of them, all the pie chart. I'll create fresh. So I'll go to the pie. I'll create this one here. And what I have is I'll have to create sum and then total number of cases. And then I'll add a bucket here, split slices. And then here I'll select terms. And here what I can select is first I will do region wise split. So this would look like this. Now here it's top 5. We can change it to 10 if there are more region. Okay, we have other here added. So we can just save it. Region wise total cases. I'll just save it. I'll go back again to my visualization. I'll add another one, create more visualization. I will add again another sum. Now this time I'll show depth, and I will use again split slices, again terms, and then again. So this will region wise depth. So this will show us the region wise depth. And at the moment it's selected 5. Let's select 10 as in the previous one. Let's save it. Yes, it looks good. So I will say region wise dates. Save it. I'll go back again, and then this time I will use one more region wise sorry, I will try to create a country wise depth. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'll select some and then split slices, terms, and here I will use places reporting cases. This is the column where we get the countries, or at least the place. Like um, in case of the ship. So let's run it. So as you can see, top 5 countries by depth, but I will try to put it more, put 15 countries so that we have more, or let's say put 10 because there are too many. This looks nice. All right, I will save it. Country wise deaths. Okay, so now our visualizations are ready. So if you see, we have these many visualization. I try to show you how you can build metric widget visualization, how you can build pie chart based visualization. I'll show you quickly how I have built this one, the vertical bar. So top 15 countries by total number of cases. So here in y-axis I have selected sum number, and the field, under the field I have selected number of cases, and as an x-axis I have selected terms, and places, under the field I've selected places reporting cases, and I've selected top 15. I can also say top 10, but it doesn't matter. That's all. So I have this visualization ready. I will save it again, and then I will go and build the dashboard, the final part of this demo. So I'm already already have a COVID-19 dashboard, but I will create another one just to show you how simply you can create it without any trouble. Super. So I have this dashboard and I can add existing object here. So I will just add one by one. This one, total cases and total death. So what it will present to me is everything what I have created. So you see already built dashboard. So I don't have to do anything. And according to our requirement, what we can do is we can just move the things around. So you can basically move this thing here just so that it looks nice. All right. I can also move a little bit here so that I can adjust this one here. Oops, oops, oops. Yeah, I can move that here. And this is, that's it. All right, so we have this nice looking dashboard all with the information retrieved from this particular website. So you see how easy it is to create dashboard in Kibana using Logstash and elasticsearch indexing. You can do a lot of things using this data. You can also map it using latitude and longitude and depict it in really nice looking um, map. I will show you that in the next video. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe, do like and share as much as possible. Thank you guys.